Right now I'll be doing a very short video tutorial on Iqoption. Iqoption, you need to understand how the candle works, particularly the candle strategy, which is so important. Let me start by the setting. So I'm going to go to my indicator. You can see I've added bilingual band, but I'm going to show you the setting. Here I set my period to be 8. My mean deviation here is 2.1, and of course I made the upper line yellow, I made the lower line yellow, and I make it very thick so that they will be very visible. See, I decided to go by this middle thickness, and I equally decided to go by this middle thickness. So I'm going to leave the moving average, which is the middle line, as it is. Then I apply. This is the bilingual band, the upper bilingual band, and this is lower bilingual band. Let me quickly go to another thing which I use as setting, which is my RSI, relative strength index. My RSI has a period of 6, and I make my overbought 90, I make my oversold 90. My RSI has a moving line which is purple. The overbought have a line of green, which is green, and I have oversold of red. Then I apply. That is a simple setting. I'm going to be trading just 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, which is called 60 seconds reversal strategy. In this strategy, there are some certain principles and rules that must be observed, which are normally generally tagged as instruction. These instructions are so important while trading. If you don't check all these things out, they might be issued. But before I go to the instruction, let me open more tab. Since I've put the settings here, each time I open any of these tabs, it's going to have the same setting I have put here. So I'm going to plus, that is add new currency. So I'm going to add USD Canada dollar. Okay, it is loading. I'm going to add one more, 6. I won't intend having 6 on it. I go to add again. I click on add. Okay, I add this again. Let me add one more to make it 4. Though usually I normally open 6. So I go to Euro Canada dollar. Okay, this is 4. As you can see, as I open new one, it's automatically taking the setting you are giving it. So I open a 4 chart to oversee the all 4 windows which I have opened there. This 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the basic rules. Let me go back to 1 so that the basic rule could be very clear to us all. Okay, I'm using 1 chart that it will be very visible. Now the basic rules is this: if the candle is at the upper Bollinger Band and the RSI, relative strength index, is at the overbought here, therefore, and the candle is about to finish and it finishes inside the lower band, then definitely we should know that we go for 1 minute trading, 1 minute reversal candle, then 1 minute trading as well. This is 1 minute. Okay, as it is, as you can see, it's coming down already. You have 1, 2, 3. These 3 green candles. Then it touches here and starts inside the upper Bollinger Band. It shows that it's going to come down, so we just go for down. But before we click down, we have to ensure the candle has completed. Although this is late already, But even before that is late, I'm going to give you a trial. Let's see what is going to happen. It's late. I didn't supposed to trade this again. I'm supposed to trade when this candle is about to start. But let's give it a trial and see what is going to happen. You see, it is winning, but let's see what is going to happen at the end of the 27 seconds that remain. Okay. Yeah, we are still observing our candlestick. Candle analysis is very, very important. Very, very important. If you don't understand how it works, you are going to lose all your trade. Iqoption require calmness, understanding how the candlesticks works, and being able to read it effectively. That gives you upper hand. As you can see, I won that. That is it. This one, I can't trade this anymore. I have to go and look for another one. So I'm going for this. Okay, but one thing you must always watch out for is this again. If these two yellow lines, that is the upper Bollinger Band and lower Bollinger Band, are too close, don't dare trade at all. Don't even trade with that currency at all. As you can see now, we have green. This is bullish engulfing candle. This green line completely consuming the red one here, the red candle here. It shows that it's bullish engulfing candle. After bullish engulfing candle, it will always rise. Now it rises from here, it keeps going and going. Now it's touching the upper Bollinger Band. Let's see what is going to happen next. I go for down. Oh, my mouse fumble, couldn't click on time. Supposed to click immediately this gray candle is finishing. Supposed to click this before it starts this, that I would have been winning by now. But notwithstanding, let's see what happens after the end of the trading. See, my mouse did not click that on time anyway, but I still move around and look for more signal. No signal, no trading. It's a simple rules when it comes to. Okay, I lost that. That is it. Wrong calculation. Now the falling is now happening. Well, that is it. That is it. My mouse is not clicking. It's malfunctioning. Anyway, like I told you earlier, look at my battery here. My battery is not good. Once they take light, it goes off straight away. And see this. The having upper band, the upper Bollinger Band is close here. After this, I'm expecting it to move down, but let's see what is going to happen. It's 1 minute candle, which we call 60 seconds reversal strategy. Another thing we have to watch out for is if our RSI is not moving in a zigzag direction like this one now. It's always in the middle. So it to be going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, but it's moving in between, in the middle. Such market is not favorable to trade. If you don't want to lose all your money, it's better not to trade this kind of market than taking risk and trading in it. By so doing, you will always waste your money. The best thing you can do is to stay calm and look for perfect signal. No perfect signal, no trading. The signal is not going well with your indicator, no trading. The signal the indicator, everything must work together. At the same time, you must ensure whether you are having hammer candle or you are having dragonfly candle or doji. Doji sometimes normally talks about rejection. Whenever rejection, those are things you have to watch out for. I'm looking for a perfect signal. I've not seen one. I've not seen a perfect signal. That's why I'm slowing down. I want you to realize that there is no way you will trade, you will not lose. But one thing is this: allow your winning to be more than losing. I have one here, but let's see how it goes. Okay, I trade lower here, USD dollar, and then Canada dollar. Let's see what is going to happen here. You'll be wondering why I have to trade this. It's because I have seen an hammer here. I have seen 3 green candles, and I'm equally seeing an hammer. Let me go to one candle chart so that we can see it boldly. Look at it here. 1, 2, 3, and here is an hammer, and that's why I decided to go for down. If you see 1, 2, 3 and an hammer, there's possibility the candle goes down. And then let's see, there's a rejection. Okay, and that is it. I won. Alright, those are things you have to be looking for. That's why you have to open so many charts while you look for your signal. No signal, no trading. It's as simple as that. That is winning number 2. Okay, still looking for more perfect signal. Trading in Iqoption using candlestick is logical. It requires understanding how the candlesticks work. Okay, I'm seeing something around here, but let me see what is going to happen. Let's see what is going to happen. Okay, seeing something around. No. Let me see what is going to happen. This candlestick, USD and China money. Okay, let me go for down and let's see what is going to happen. Oh, I got that a little bit late. I got it a little bit late. Okay, let's see. I got that a little bit late. That is one thing about candle trading. Timing, very, very important. Timing is important. You must know that. Oh, boom, that is it. I lost that. Oh, This is exactly what I'm talking about. When the candle is not going in a zigzag direction, going up and down, going up and down, going up, coming down, going up and coming down, don't trade this market. Look at this. Look at this. It's just in the middle. It's not going up, touching down, going up, touch down, touch up, touch down. This is not a perfect market to trade. We have to be very careful with this. The bilingual band here is too close. Don't even bother to trade here at all. As you can see, the whole thing is just flying up. It's not touching down. So you don't even dare to trade with this kind of market. Same thing is happening here. It's not touching down, just going up. This one is breaking now from this strategy from about sold, which is lower. One, two, three. Okay, something may happen around this side. Something may happen around this side. There is need to watch out for the two. Something may happen here. Oh, asset open in next 10 hours. This market is closed. Or something will happen here. 1, 2, 3. This market is closed. Let's check this. Okay. That is it. Winning number 3. You wash around again. We call this a fast moving candle. You have to be careful. A fast moving candle. And besides, this is too close around here. Just opening wider. So I like to open more because you can move a very funny move. Continuing the down trend movement. Okay, this market is closed. So, oh. Another opportunity we missed here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. This market is closed.